Hi everyone, so in today's video I am going to be talking about the top 5 investment banking courses in Turkey. So the first institute in my list is IIM Skills. Now this is one of the best institutes to learn investment banking from, and it was founded by Mr. Webb of Kakkad in 2015. Now the duration of their investment banking course is about 4 months and the fees of the same is about $480, somewhere around that range. And trust me guys, this is one of the best institutes. Their faculty is top notch and they also provide you lifetime access to the resources and materials of the course, which means that if anything changes in the investment banking industry during the next few years or a few months, you will still have access to the material. And also they provide you a full refund if you do not like the course. Yes, that's right, you can just write them a detailed email on what you don't like about the course and they will give you a full refund. Now the next institute in my list is the New York Institute of Finance. Now this is a very good institute to learn investment banking from, and the duration of their course is about 2 to 2.5 months and the fees of the same is approximately $990. Now I know that it's a little bit on the expensive side, but it's a very good course with great quality material, and they also provide hands-on practical experience from industry experts. And this is also a self-study course. This is a self-paced course, which means that you can do it at your own pace. Now the only downside of this course is that they do not have real-time doubt solving sessions because it is a self-study course, but it is of great quality. Now the next institute in my list is Training the Street. This is a very good institute again for investment banking, and the average duration of their course is about 2 to 3 months and the fees of the same is about $1,500 to $3,500. I know it's a little bit on the expensive side, but it is definitely worth it because of their good quality. And I know the affordable course out of all the 5 courses that I'm going to talk about is IIM Skills, but their IIM Skills quality is also top notch. There is no compromise on quality. But this institute gives you a lot of industry experts, a lot of practical hands-on experience, and it's definitely worth the money. Now the next institute in my list is Wall Street Prep, which is also one of the good institutes to learn investment banking from, and the average duration of their course is about 1 to 2.5 months and the fees of the same is about $200 to somewhere around $1,500. And this is a very good institute. They provide you a lot of insightful knowledge on investment banking, and they also focus a lot on financial modeling and valuation, which will give you a very good practical approach and hands-on practical training to go out in the world and actually experience and get a job and excel in it. Now the last but not the least institute that I have in my list is Corporate Finance Institute. The average duration of their investment banking course is about 2 to 4 months and the fees of the same is about $500. Now the fees is an annual subscription of their platform, and the annual subscription is of $500. And this is a very good course and they focus a lot on the core topics of investment banking like financial modeling, valuation, Excel skills, etc. So that's it for today's video. I have given the links of all the courses in the description box, so please go check it out, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment and ask me and I will personally reply to them. And I will see you in the next video with more such informative content. Till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.